Hey guys, today I'm in Arizona. I just got a trailer inspection done on my trailer here at the truck stop. It's good to go, and I'm actually by the Colorado River. So apparently I can take this little road right here and I can park somewhere down there. I'm about to go look for the parking space and show you guys the river. Maybe I'll even get in, but we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it is over there. So let's figure out how to get there first. So I was actually just passing down the interstate and I seen that river and I seen how green it was, and I was just like, wow, that's incredible. I gotta stop by and check this out and get a closer look. But I also needed a trailer PM done at the time, so I was like, you know what, I might as well knock that out as well since I'm already here. And I started talking to the people that work there, and they were telling me that they literally get in all the time. The water's so nice and it's one of their main attractions here. So, you know, with that being said, I was like, I definitely have to go check that out. So it actually does look like we got some parking down here. I mean, it's just a little dirt lot that's opened up, so it should be easy to get in and out. I do hope this truck lets me pass, because I mean, there's just no way that we can all fit. But luckily they're getting over for me. Wow. Try to be real careful coming in here though, because I got this low trailer and there's some ruts and bumps and holes over here, so try to take it easy. And then I'm gonna just park over here next to these guys. See, they got the right idea. They don't just stop at the truck stop. They come down here and get out and explore and go see the sights. Go ahead and put this off duty for a sec. All right, let's go check it out, guys. Try to see if we can figure out the best access point. It's nice out here, man. Yeah, I'm driving a truck. It's super nice down here and the water is actually pretty clear. You can see my feet. And it actually feels so nice. It's refreshing. It's not too cold. Definitely glad that I stopped and came down here though, because this was well worth it. I'm gonna go ahead and head back to the truck now. Super happy that I stopped over here, and I'm gonna go finish out the rest of my drive. Really only got like maybe 40 minutes or so more of driving to do, so not too bad. That was a lot of fun, guys. Let's get back to the road. I'm gonna change my shorts real fast. All right, got my shorts changed. I'm good to go. Try to go as wide as possible so we don't have to go up such a big lip on the road. There we go. Gotta treat this low belly trailer with respect. Can't be letting her get scraped up down there. I'm gonna go ahead and get started back on my journey to the East Coast, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed the little hidden gem stopping by the Colorado River, and you guys should definitely check it out if you're ever in the area. I recommend doing so. But until next time, guys, take care.